Cobblestones Water Park. Cobblestones Park is a beautiful water park in Glen Allen, Virginia. Located at 13131 Overhill Lake Lane, Glen Allen, Virginia 23059. They have one of the largest concrete swimming pools in Virginia. A 38,000 square foot pool featuring a range of slides. From kiddie to high speed. Recent reviewers have said, was a wonderful place for a day of water fun. We went there on a special day for us and couldn't have been more pleased with our choice. We will be back. People have also commented, if you're looking for a clean, safe, and engaging place to enjoy family water fun, you can't do better than Cobblestone Water Park. Learn more about them at www.friendseat.com.